So guys, Intel and I have had a pretty long history. May 29th, 2014, in my article on Intel Does Something Amazing on Pure Overclock, quote, I plan on having a kid just so I can sell it and build a new system. Now, it may have taken me 3 or 4 years, but I did have a kid in... Oh, wait, that was the wrong. Okay, June 19th, 2015. Title, Skylick Delidded Bad Wolf. And so, it looks like Intel is going to keep using thermal compound instead of soldering. March 13th, 2017, my Pure Overclock article on my Aorus Z270X Gaming 7 motherboard review. In the overclocking section, I said, with proper thermal material to transfer heat from the chip to the heat spreader, I'm sure I would easily be running 5 GHz for daily use with the Kraken X62 keeping it cool. I even further pointed out that if Intel would just charge an extra $20 to solder the heat spreader on K-series chips only, that would be great. Everybody be gladly pay that. May 8th, 2017. It looks like complaints about the 2700K having heat issues went farther than I even knew. That was in my article on Intel's official response to the 7700K heat issues that were going on. And even to this year, July 25th, 2018, on my new Hardware Hounds website, in my article about Intel ditching hyperthreading on the 9700K, I said, and I quote, they also made the mind-boggling decision to use cheaper thermal paste material between the chip and the heat spreader. Overclockers have been ruining that decision for multiple years now. I have been on this train for a long time. And so, when I say this, I've got to tell you guys, I'm pretty excited. But a pretty darn official leak from VideoCard shows that the new K-series chips coming out on the 9th gen Intel series platforms, all their K-series, are going to use soldered heat spreaders. I'm going to say it again. The new K-series CPUs from Intel, the 9th gen CPUs, are going to go back to using soldered heat spreaders. Soldered heat spreaders. Okay, all right. I know this is probably a really stupid little thing to get excited about, and I'm probably being utterly stupid in getting excited, but it's gonna be a soldered heat spreader again. I mean, come on, that's like amazing. You know, how many years of us overclockers have been wanting a soldered heat spreader again so we can get awesome cooling performance and great overclocking, and it's happening, guys. Intel is bringing it back. I think I need a 9900K, guys, or just any 9th gen chip, just so I can overclock it and just feel how good it is to have that soldered heat spreader back on there. Unfortunately, I can't afford an Intel chip. Wonder if my wife would let me sell a kid right about now.